Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. My name is Shoaib and I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel youtube.com/pmclounge. I would like to request you to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube and haven't done so already. Now, in this video, I am discussing a question that came in through Twitter. Actually, a minor plug on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is twitter.com/pmclounge. So the question is, let's get back to the question. The question is, are Change Control Board, also known as CCB, and Change Advisory Board, also known as CAB, are these two the same? The short answer is no, they are not. The long answer is, well, let me give you the long answer, right? So now this question comes from change management field of study, and the first link in the description will take you to a playlist that contains every single video that we have done on change management topic. This video, the one that I'm doing right now, will also go in that playlist itself. So you also need to note here that change management is not a knowledge area, just like integration knowledge area, scope management knowledge area, right? Cost management knowledge area. So this topic, change management, is actually a part of integration management knowledge area. And before I answer this question, I expect that you at least know the very basics of change management, or none of this entire video is going to make any sense whatsoever. So let's get back to the question. Are CCB and CAB, the Change Control Board and the Change Advisory Board, are they the same? The origin of this question is the fact that there are many organizations out there that rename CCB to CAB or the other way around, or use the names synonymously, right? These organizations, they fail to differentiate between a CAB and the CCB. What is a CCB? Change Control Board is responsible for managing the process around changes. They are responsible for ensuring traceability and enforcing procedures like the approvals of relevant stakeholders before the change can be accepted in the project. That is what CCB does. On the other hand, the Change Advisory Board, also known as CAB, it is basically a body of experts, both technical experts and process related experts, and they review the proposed changes to identify as well as mitigate technical risks. In short, CAB is responsible for understanding downstream impact of a change if it is accepted. Now, in certain project environments, you might see that a CCB ensures that CAB approves all change requests before they are accepted in the project, because that is part of the process and CCB is responsible for the process. So I hope the difference is clear between CCB and CAB, and I hope you got value out of this quick video. Do hit the like button if you got value out of it. It helps us stay motivated and create more free content for you. Subscribe to the channel like I said earlier, I requested you earlier, and do hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. Also, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.